A legend left to languish, a prancing horse forgotten by time. This is the story of a Ferrari 488 GTB, discovered not in a collector's pristine showroom, but cloaked in years of neglect. A thick blanket of dust obscures its once vibrant lines, while rust creeps across its celebrated form. Its headlights, like vacant eyes, are cracked and dull. Scratches crisscross the faded paint, a testament to a life far from the racetrack. The tires are deflated and brittle, the wheels scarred. Under dramatic light, every imperfection tells a tale of abandonment, a silent plea for a second chance. This isn't just a car, it's a fallen icon waiting for its rebirth. The journey from ruin to resurrection begins with a meticulous deconstruction. In the workshop, a team of artisans approaches the Ferrari with reverence and resolve. The first to go are the wheels, their bolts groaning in protest as they are loosened after years of silence. The old cracked tires are peeled away, revealing rims in desperate need of repair. Attention then turns to the heart of the machine's stopping power. Damaged brake discs and calipers are carefully unbolted and set aside. With the hood lifted, the soul of the Ferrari is exposed, and the slow process of removing old, worn-out engine components begins. Every movement is precise, surrounded by the authentic sounds and smells of a true workshop. Sparks from stubborn bolts, the glint of oil on steel, and the quiet determination of craftsmen. With the engine block laid bare on the bench, the art of mechanical restoration takes center stage. Decades of grime and corrosion are painstakingly scrubbed away from every component, revealing the brilliant metal beneath. Pistons, the very heartbeats of the V8, are replaced with pristine, high-performance successors. The intricate turbochargers, essential to the 488's ferocious power, are rebuilt with new internals, their turbines polished to a mirror shine. Piece by piece, the legendary power plant is reassembled. Macro shots capture the satisfying click of a socket wrench, the precise seating of a gasket, and the final triumphant reinstallation of the revitalized engine into its chassis. Simultaneously, the car's body undergoes its own profound transformation. The shell, once a canvas of decay, is now a sculpture in progress. Sanders whine, stripping away the old peeling paint and exposing the raw metal underneath. Skilled hands work to hammer out every dent and imperfection, restoring the fluid, aerodynamic contours designed in Maranello. Sparks fly as welders meticulously cut out and replace sections of the body consumed by rust, their bright flashes illuminating dust particles dancing in the air. The entire surface is then smoothed and primed, creating a flawless foundation for the vibrant coat that will soon define its new identity. The moment of rebirth arrives in the sterile, brightly lit environment of a state-of-the-art paint booth. A fine mist of Rosso Corsa, the iconic Ferrari red, envelops the car's body. Slow-motion cameras capture the artistry of the painter's steady hand, the atomized paint gracefully settling onto the primed surface. Layer by layer, the color deepens, transforming into a glossy, liquid-like finish. The bright lights of the booth reflect flawlessly off the newly painted panels, showcasing a perfect, uninterrupted sheen that gleams with the promise of speed and beauty. The final assembly is a symphony of new and old. Brand new high-performance tires are stretched over gleaming, freshly refurbished alloy wheels, framing powerful, brightly colored brake calipers. Crystalline new headlights are carefully fitted into place, ready to pierce the darkness. Inside, the cabin is reborn in luxury. Supple leather is masterfully stitched over the sport seats, and a new steering wheel, bristling with controls, is installed. The dashboard comes to life as modern digital screens are fitted, their dark glass contrasting with the rich interior materials. Every detail, from the switchgear to the floor mats, is installed with absolute precision. From the ashes of neglect, the Ferrari 488 GTB rises, perfected and reborn. A cinematic camera circles the car, its flawless red paint reflecting the workshop lights like a ruby. It stands immaculate, a fusion of art and engineering, every curve and line restored to its original glory. With the turn of a key, the V8 engine erupts with a deafening, glorious roar that shakes the very foundations of the garage. The headlights flash on, and with a powerful grace, the restored supercar glides out into the world, ready to reclaim its throne on the open road. This isn't just a car anymore. It's a testament to passion, a masterpiece brought back to life.